How to create a PowerPoint presentation on your mobile phone. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new PowerPoint presentation on your mobile phone. Let's get started. So the first thing that you will need is the Microsoft PowerPoint app. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. Once you do that, you can open your application and allow all of the permissions that's required to run the application. And this will be your home page. Now, all you need to do to create a new one is on the top right corner, you'll see the plus icon. And from here, you can create a blank presentation. So as you can see here, PowerPoint provides you with a feature where you have to simply create an outline where you just enter a few details and it will recommend you certain kind of designs. So tap on OK and it will start creating your slide. So the step one is to start typing, step two is to choose your next favorite theme, and step three is to save. So just tap on get started and tap on got it. So the first slide here, you can add the title of your presentation. So I'm just gonna write PowerPoint here, and you can add anything. You can add your subtitle as well. And on the title of the slide, let's say if I just tap in marketing, and on the contents, I can write sales, pricing, and other stuff like business and many more. So you can do anything you want. If you want to create a new slide, tap on the plus icon, create a new slide, add its content right here. Do the same for other things as well. Write its content, hit enter to add more contents. And once you are done, you can just tap on next at the top right corner and it will automatically start creating your presentation. And now it will suggest you different designs from here. You can even choose your designs. So just scroll here and choose the best fit for you and tap on save. And you can later edit that on your profile. So that's how you easily create a PowerPoint presentation on your mobile phone. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.